2025 Mercedes-Benz GLS. This SUV offers space as well as power and performance. Additionally, you'll be more than pleased with extra features like these: automatic parking, lane keeping assist, side view mirrors with turn signals, lane departure warning, Wi-Fi hotspot, satellite radio, navigation, premium sound system, multi-zone air conditioning, blind spot monitor, all-wheel drive, parking aid sensor, third row seating, heated side view mirrors, panoramic roof. Schedule a test drive now before this model is gone.